never try to dive into the deep end, cause I don't really wanna lose a good friend, but I might find something divine. It's electric every time we touch. I feel living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Unice, or Unice once more. Okay, so same packaging as usual. Let's get into the wig. Well, before we get into the wig, the goodies that we got, you know, the usual. We had this brush, edge brush and comb, and an extra head. Also got a pair of HD wig caps. I got this branded elastic headband, and that's everything. That's everything for goodies. So what we have here, it is Unice's Bye Bye Knots Water Wave 7x5 lace closure wig. All right, it is a drawstring cap construction, and it's glueless, of course. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. It's 180% in density and 24 inches long. It's a natural black water wave as well. It's really nice and soft, I must say. Right off the bat, I got like a few strands, so there is minimal shedding. Okay, just to let you know, yes, there definitely is minimal shedding. Okay, so that's something to note, but the construction looks good so far. Like, as I said, it's pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. The cap construction is very solid. I love a good drawstring cap construction because it's super secure. As you can see, it has the two knobs. You have the first one to put it in place, and then the second knob, which is the smaller one, to just lock it in place. And there's also a comb in the back. Okay, just one comb in the entire cap, and two adjustable straps. And there's also this removable adjustable elastic band for more security. So there's a lot of stuff inside of the wig for security. And then it comes with these like pre-baby hairs and stuff if you want that vibe. And it's the HD lace, you know, it looks really good. It's giving scalp. So we love a good realistic wig, and as I said, it's glueless. I did get some lace tapes inside of the wig package as well, so that's what we're working with. So you know what, let's go ahead and jump into this very beginner friendly installation.
But I might find something divine. It's electric every time we touch. I feel living for.
Okay, so that's how we're looking once I go ahead and slip it on. So the baby hairs are soft, obviously, because it came like this, so I didn't have to go in and add any product to it. So that's pretty convenient, especially if you want to have like that baby hair look. I'm just kind of combing it out to get it even more, like even softer, because I do like that soft baby hair vibe. You could go ahead and feel free to brush this back, so it's completely optional. I know some of the girls be like, no edges, whatever, but it's been a while. I feel like most of my installs these days, I don't even do swoops like that anymore. Have you guys realized? Like, one time gone, you would never catch me doing that much pullbacks. But you know, things and times really do change. You never know if the way you do something today is how you're gonna do it 6 months from now, a year from now. Especially with the beauty industry, it changes up a lot, and you find that, okay, you know what, this is not so bad, you know. So yeah, so this is how it looks right off the bat after slipping it on my head. So before I move any further, at least with a hairline or anything, I'm gonna go on in the back and secure the drawstring. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to properly do that. It's very easy, very straightforward, but we're still gonna get into it. You want to make sure that the comb inside the cap is secure within your like braids, and then this is the strap with the knob. So I take the bigger knob and I kind of just secure it to how tight I want it to be, and then I take the smaller knob and just kind of lock that in place. So you just slide everything down, and then you take the extra and you push it beneath the cap. after I'm done with that, that's it for securing the wig onto your head. Now let's give it a shake test to show you guys how secure this is. So it's not going anywhere, like it's really on there. It's super secure. Okay, so the hair is looking really good. As I said, this is how it looks once I go ahead and apply really nice loose waves. I feel like you could still see the cast here a little bit, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my face powder. You guys know this is something that I do a lot if I feel like, you know, I want to completely eliminate the cast on a lace.
But sometimes it's too much. If we never tried, how would we know, baby, how far this thing could go? Give me a sign if I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall in love alone. If we never tried, how would we know, baby, how far this thing could go? Give me a sign if I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall in love.
I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like.
And that's it. That's all you do for installation. Super quick, super easy, very to the point. Unice gets it. They really do get it. So you guys need to know that you do have a lot of space working with, because it's a 7x5 closure. So if you want to go ahead and switch this up and do a side part, feel free to go ahead and do that. Okay, look at that. Super easy, very realistic. Like, they make it quite easy for you, like quite easy, really and truly. As a beginner, who gonna know that you didn't go to the salon? Who gonna know that this is not all the way secure down on your head? Who? It's giving. So you could easily switch it up with the parting, and that would be a different look. Okay, so you can do a center part and you can do a side part. Let me zoom you out a bit, and that's looking good. Okay, that's like another look for you. Okay, this is actually really cute, I can't lie. And I love, like, because it's loose wave, I know that if I drench this with water right now, it's gonna be like extremely flat, and I'm not really going for the wet look right now. So I love this little volume that it's giving, and for 180% density, it does look very nice and full. I can't complain. You could go in and you could create another look with this. I'm just gonna do like 2 little ponytails at the top here.
Feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. No sugar boo, I'm levitating. No Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see us written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together. But what
Now that we have that, so you see, that's another look for you. You could go ahead and choose to leave this like in the dry state, or you could get it a little you know, you could define the waves a little bit. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle with water just to get it a little bit defined, not too drenched though. I just want to define the waves just a tad, but I actually do like how it looks in the dry state as well. is nice and defined. Yes, I think you got three nice, well, yeah, three nice looks. This is the third look for today's quick and easy wig install. Very, very convenient. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Unice once more for another bomb wig. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, so if you're interested in getting this for yourself, go ahead and check out down below. All the specifications are listed, any deals, any discounts, you know the use, that will be there as well. Shout out to Unice once more for today's gorgeous wig look. Very, very convenient. We love a well constructed and convenient wig, don't we? We do. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, share this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.